Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Children, be ready with your revision notebook. As you all know, every day, 5 to 10 minutes, we first do the revision of the previous topics and then we start the new concept. So,
Yes, ma'am.
so please open your revision notebook and write today's date. Which revision number it is now?
Ma'am, I think seven it is.
5. Revision 5. 7 is the worksheet. Revision 5. Please note, open your revision notebook. Write today's date. Write today's date.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Which child?
Mohammed Moni.
Okay, Mohammed. Pritika, Dhwani, turn on your camera and sit in the class, please.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now can you see me?
No, still off. Those who are coming now, please turn on your cameras and sit in the class and please open your revision notebook. I'm going to present the screen now. Pritika, I have checked just now, it was working. When you were there, when you entered in the class, your camera was working. So please start your camera. Otherwise, I will think that I have to grade you accordingly. That so it is you need to accept that now. We are going to do the revision 5. Right, today's date it's 15 June. Revision 5 classwork topic is standard form. Yesterday we have done how to expand the numbers. Now, if expanded form is already given to you, how to do the short form and the standard form. Short form and standard form is same. Okay, so it is 20,000, 5,690 plus 5. This is in the expanded form. How you will write it in the short form? I will ask the child name and that child will only answer me. Okay, I will call your name. Arth Gujarati. Arth Gujarati, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the number which is in the expanded form. How you will write the short form of this number or the standard form? First of all, you need to check the number of zeros. After 2, there are 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Means the sequence is correct. There is no any missing value, right? 20,000, then 5,000. Means it is 25,000. Means there is no gap in between. So what you will write now? How you will write it into the short form?
25,
25,
comma,
comma,
69,
69,
5.
5. I hope you're not taking help from anyone, right, Earth?
Yes.
Please, I request you not to take help from anyone. If you don't know, ask from me. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So it is 25,695 is the short form of this number. Children, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next will be given by Arav Hapani. Arav Hapani,
Yes, ma'am.
can you give me the short form of the number second one?
5,
5,
7,
7,
9,
9,
5, 9.
5, 9. Good. It is 57,959.
Ma'am, you have written chapter number 1.
It is chapter number 1 only. We are doing till chapter number 1 revision only. Every day, if you have noticed my worksheet, we are writing chapter 1. The topic is standard form. Next will be Moin Kuledi. Moin.
Yes.
Now tell me the short form of this number.
10,
10,
comma,
comma
7,
7.
23.
Very good. Very good that he have told 0 in between, because it is 10,000 then 700. So 10,700, how we write? 10,723 in this way. Because you can see here also there are 4 zeros with the 1, and then it is not a 30 digit is coming in between. So we write 0 at the 1000 place. So it is 10,723. Is it correct, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you, Mohan.
Yes, ma'am.
I will, it is given by Momin or Moin Kuledi? It was given by Moin Kuledi or the Momin?
I'm Moin. Moin.
Moin Kuledi. Just a minute. Let me check the child.
Ma'am, Moin.
Moin Kuledi is given me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Momin, please raise your hand that you have given me the answer. Moin Kuledi, you have given, no, right?
I don't have given, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Next is 7,100, 4 tens plus 4. You will get this type of expanded form also. So if this is the form and plus sign is written in the between, means it's an expanded form, and you need to write it into the standard form, means in the short form. So this answer will be given by Dheer Kansara. Dheer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how. Kinsara, okay. Dheer, can you tell me how I will write the answer of this one?
Ma'am, 7,000.
7,000. So which number will come only?
Ma'am, only 7.
Only 7. Then,
Ma'am, 100, comma,
comma,
100 means 1,
1,
4, 4,
4,
4.
4. Is it correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
7,144.
Yeah,
4
ma'am.
times 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it in your notebooks faster. Next will be given by Shivangi. Shivangi, please give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second is 5,
5,
2,
2,
3,
3,
2, 9.
2, 9. So where I will put comma?
Ma'am, 5 and after 5 and
Comma will come in between 2 and 3.
after 52.
And it is right. It is 5,20,000. So what you are missing?
5 lakh 20,329.
So when you read the number which you have given me is the same 5,20,000. It is 52329. So I will read as how? 52,329. It is not 5 lakh.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, what? Okay. Give me the proper answer.
5
Something is
lakh
missing.
5,20,329.
So what is missing here? The number which is given by you. You have given 52329. Something is missing in this number. Can you give me?
Can I answer, Jignesh?
No, wait. If you write 52329, will your answer be correct, Shivangi?
Ma'am, after 20.
Yes. Are you asking from someone?
No, ma'am.
Okay. 5,20,329. And now she is correct.
Yes,
Students,
ma'am.
I am asking from you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write the answer. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. So this is our today's revision. Please do more practice on the topic is giving by me. Only 5 to 10 sums are not sufficient. I'm telling again and again.
Done, ma'am.
You need to take more practice from the worksheets given in the different books, given on the Google. You can search and do more practice. Only giving and doing the 5 sums and 10 sums in the class are not sufficient for your practice. Please do it fast. I will give you 2-3 minutes more. Are you maintaining your revision notebook properly, neatly? Yes or no,
Yes,
students?
ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
please, and I request you
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
I request you all, please send your revision work also in the revision folder. Because every day you're getting the answer key also in the revision folder. So please check your work from the revision notebook and send it to me, the revision also timely. Revision work, I will not return you back, but I am keeping records of the revision and everything in my this register. So don't think ma'am is not checking, ma'am is not returning back to us. No, I will not return back to you, but I will note it down in the revision my this register. So please attach your work. When I see the names, I take it in my register that this child have already sent. So please take a note of this. Are you getting me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope everyone completed. Can I move forward now?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, no. Just
Okay,
yes,
okay,
ma'am.
okay. 1 or 2 minutes more. Thank you. Once you complete, please let me know.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, thank you. Please, students, little fast.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone?
Done, ma'am.
Done,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Which child is saying no?
Dhwani, ma'am, on last one.
Okay, please complete. And if you want to keep your work neatly, I suggest you to please leave a line after every first like after A, leave one line, then do B, then leave one line. It will look neat because you have enough space on the page number 1, and every day we are using the different page. So I suggest you please leave the space in between each sum. It will look neat.
Ma'am, see.
Let me stop the presentation first, then only I'll able to see. Yes, yes, this way Riddhi is showing, Shivani is showing. Yes, Arth, you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Good. So can I stop and do the next one topic now? Okay.
Ma'am, see my
No,
Astha.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Which child is saying no?
Just last that digit I have to want to see.
Okay. Please, one more minute. After that, I will stop it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so let me stop the presentation first. Let me take your attendance for a minute and then we start the topic. So children, as you all know that we are doing the addition of the units, meter and centimeter. In yesterday's class, we have done the addition of what? Tell me.
Meters and centimeters.
Meters and centimeters.
So what?
Meter and centimeter.
So what do you think? What will be the next now? What you want to learn next?
Kilometers and meters.
Ma'am, subtraction.
Yes, subtraction of meters and centimeter units. Because all these concepts have all the operations related. You will learn addition, subtraction, right? So I'm going to present this screen and show you the video based on the subtraction of units, meters and centimeters. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to mute myself. Then I request you to turn on your mics, please.
Subtraction, meters and centimeters. Subtract 39 meter 86 centimeters from 42 meter 9 centimeters.
Please mute yourself, Dheer. Dheer? Yes, thank you. So, children, this is the question. Subtract 39 meter 86 centimeter from 42 meter 9 centimeter. Always remember, I'm keeping you, please keep it in mind. Always remember, when we are doing subtraction, any subtraction, simple any subtraction, always write the bigger value first, right? When you go in the higher grades, then it will be the different case that subtraction will be possible from the smaller value also, and then the answer will be in the minus. But in till grade 5, you will write subtraction the bigger value first. So 39 meter 86 centimeter is bigger, or 42 meter 9 centimeter is bigger or greater, you can say. Which value is greater?
42.
42 meter 9 centimeter. Children, 42 meter is having a friend 9 centimeter. 42 meter 9 centimeter, both are together. When you are moving, when you are writing 42 meter, then you always write the centimeter which is with 42. Don't think कि 42 के साथ आप 86 सेंटीमीटर ले लोगे. No, क्योंकि 42 मीटर का फ्रेंड 86 सेंटीमीटर नहीं है. 42 मीटर का फ्रेंड क्या है? 9 सेंटीमीटर. उसके साथ वही जाएगा.
9, ma'am.
Okay, only you need to compare the greater value from the meters, not from the centimeters. Please keep it in mind. Only compare the values or the numbers from the meters, not from the centimeters. आपको सेंटीमीटर्स पे ध्यान नहीं देना है. सेंटीमीटर तो अपने आप ही उसके साथ खींचा चला जाएगा जो है. इसमें you need to compare only the meters. So in meters, 42 is greater or 39 is greater? 42 is greater. So the friend of 42 is 9. Automatically वही उसका friend उसके साथ जाएगा. So from 42 meter 9 centimeter, you will subtract 39 meter 86 centimeter. Now 9 is alone. So 9 will be come at the back, and then before 9 you will write the 0. If you write 0 after 9, it will become what?
90.
Yeah, but we don't want to make it 90. We don't want to change our number. Number is 9 only we have. It is 9 centimeter only. So we write the 0 before the number. Clear?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
going to
but
play the video
0
again.
minus 8.
0 minus 8 is not possible, so we borrow 1 from the 2. Right? I will show this video completely and see to it properly.
Arrange the numbers in columns as shown on screen. Write 9 centimeter as 0.9 centimeter. Decompose and subtract like whole numbers. Thus, 42 meter 9 centimeters minus 39 meter 86 centimeters is equal to 2 meter 23 centimeter.
When you look at the sum, 9 minus 6 is possible, which is, what will come 9 minus 6?
9 minus 6.
3 and 3.
3.
And
And 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we borrow 1 from the 2 and it will become 10.
2.
10 minus 8 is 2. And 2 will become 1. Then we borrow again 1. It will become 11.
11.
11 minus 9 is 2. And 4 will become 3. 3 minus 3 is
0.
0. After subtract, the way you are doing the simple subtraction, ये भी same simple subtraction ही है. कोई changes नहीं है. Just ध्यान रखना है कि where the value is missing, हमें 0 कहाँ लगाना है, not after the number, before the number. So the answer is 2 meter 23 centimeter. Okay. I will stop this video now. I will stop this video. Now I'm going to show you the worksheet based on it. We will discuss the answer. Don't need to write. After the class, you will get this worksheet into the classroom.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. Can you all see this worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
This is worksheet number 6. So change the number when you get the worksheet. I have written 7 here. Write it 6 number worksheet. Okay. Now arrange in column and subtract the following lengths, meters and centimeters. 32 meters 61 centimeter minus 27 meters 05 centimeter. This is very, very easy. 0 is already given before the number. No need to do anything. So now which number will come first? Who will tell me? Raise your hands. Raise your virtual hand. Just a minute, my dear students. Let me take attendance for a minute. Okay. Which child? Someone mic is on. Please mute your mic. Vedi, mute your mic, please. Vedi. Yes, thank you. So now, as I was presenting, I will ask from Pragyan. Pragyan, now you tell me which number will come first when you subtract this. Pragyan, lot of background voice is coming. Lot of background voice disturbance is coming. You first see the question, think what the answer is coming, then turn on your mic and give me the answer. First one I am asking. 32 meters 61 centimeter is the first group. Second group is 27 meters 05 centimeter. So which number will come when you are subtracting this? What will come in meters and what will come in the centimeters, Pragyan? Pragyan, please give me answer fast. 32 meters 61 centimeter. Next group is 27 meters 05 centimeter. आपको किसमें से किसको माइनस करना है, प्रज्ञान? I need to move to the next child, Pragyan. I'm sorry to say that you will be graded on the best basis of this only, if you don't give answers in the class. Arush Miyani. Arush Miyani, which group will come in the first?
Meter.
What will come in the meter and what will come in the centimeter?
32 will be in meter.
And then
This
what will come in the centimeter?
61.
What will come in the next group? Children, subtract the answer and tell me the answer. What will be the answer? And write it in the chat box. Everyone, do it in the notebook. Start doing in the notebook. If you do 2-3 sums here in the class, then don't repeat them again. Do it fast and tell me the answer.
Maths notebook, no?
Maths notebook, class notebook, not in the revision.
Ma'am, we have to write the heading.
Same what is given in the worksheet.
Okay.
Yes, I'm asking from Arush. Give me the answer, Arush. First one. What will
Ma'am,
be
we
the
have to
answer?
write this in notebook.
Yes, maths notebook. Do at least 2 to 3 sums.
Ma'am,
32
excuse me, ma'am.
meter.
Which child is saying
Can you
excuse?
show the question?
The answer.
Yes.
Then these I can say.
No. I'm asking from Arush only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Dhwani. Tell me.
Ma'am, in my notebook this time
I cannot hear you clearly.
Okay.
Dhwani, I cannot hear you clearly. Sorry to say, I cannot hear you clearly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
This worksheet we have to do in notebook or in worksheet only. Take
See,
print out.
right now you can do 2 to 3 sums in the class. After the class, you can take the print and do in the worksheet also.
Okay, ma'am.
So, which number will come first, my dear students? No one is giving the answers.
Meter.
Which child is giving?
Ma'am, 5 meters.
Pragyan, you are simply sitting in the class. Wait a minute, Risha, wait. Risha, wait.
I have written in the chat box answer.
Yes, wait, I will check. Pragyan, you are simply sitting in the class. Are you just coming and watching to me?
Ma'am.
Ara, wait a minute. Pragyan, you just simply coming and watching to me in the class. I'm talking to you, Pragyan. I can see you. I can see what your movement is. You just simply coming in the class and sitting and seeing the faces of the other students. Yes, Ara Bhapani.
Answer is 0.5 meter, 56 centimeter.
Let me check. Very good. This is the answer of the first one. You can see the worksheet also here, the answer key. Let me check. Somebody has given. Dheer, your answer is wrong. Vihan, wrong.
Ma'am, I mistakenly write 27 centimeters and 5 centimeters.
This is wrong. That is why 27 will come next. 27 and 5 centimeter will be the second group. 32 meter 61 centimeter is the first group. So from 32 meter 61 centimeter, when you subtract 27 meter 0.5 centimeter, you will get 5 meter 56 centimeter is the answer. Do the second one. I will present the second worksheet also. Do the second one also.
I have written the answer like this.
Let me check. Which child is saying?
I'm Dheer.
Let me pin you. Yes, Dee. But your answer, this is wrong. So please check this. You have written 27 somewhere else. So please check this. Which is wrong? Which is wrong? Pragyan has written the answer in the chat box. Okay, I'm going to present the screen now. Please do the second sum also. Now, second sum answer will be given by Wait a minute. I'll call the child name. That child will give me the answer. Please raise your virtual hands. Children, if you leave the class before the time, I will take the attendance at the last minute also. So if you leave the class before the time, I will mark you are absent. Please take a note of this. I have noticed few of the students left the class. Still, there is 6 minutes are there in the class.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you show the
Yes. Please tell me the answer of this one. This answer will be told by, who will tell me this? Next child is Krishav. Krishav, you are there in the class? Krishav Huria. Let me see the child is there in the class or not. Krishav. Just a minute, students. Let me check Krishav is there. Krishav, you are there, right? My dear Krishav, please turn on your camera and give me the answer which I am going to present it now. And please remove this background, Krishav.
ma'am?
Yes, Arav.
I can say the answer. Second one.
Wait a minute. Krishav, please remove this background.
Ma'am, please see my answer in the chat box.
Let me check. Mohammed is giving in the chat box. Let me check in the chat box.
I have also given.
4 meter 80 centimeter. Let me check the answer. Yes, 4 meter 80 centimeter is the answer, right? Those who have given 4 meter 80 centimeter, their answer is right. The second answer is 4 meter 80 centimeter. Arush Miari had also given. Vihan Vyas is wrong. It's 80 centimeter, Vihan. Mohammed is right. Very good.
Then what's the question?
8 meter minus 3 meter 20 centimeter. This 8 meter is having nothing in the centimeter, so you will write 0 0 in the centimeter. I will show you with the answer key also. Just check here. 8 meter, nothing in the centimeter, so 0 0 will go. 3 meter 20 centimeter, subtracted. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10, 0 will become 10, minus 2 is 8, 8 will become 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, and the 0 minus 0 is 0. Go to the third one. 15 meter 60 centimeter, 9 meter 75 centimeter, 0 9 meter it will be. So 0 minus 5 will not be possible, so it will become 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 will become 5, 5 minus 7 is not possible, so 15 minus 7 is 8. 5 will become 4, 4 minus 9 is not possible, will become 14 minus 9 is 5, and here 1 will become 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. If your answer is this one, please put a right tick.
Can you do, ma'am, can you do?
What I will do? This one I'll show you.
No, that,
Answer key.
yes, I am on 5th question, that's why.
Okay, 5th one. Just please check the answers. If you are doing in the class, no need, please listen here. If you are doing in the class, no need to repeat that sums again. Only the remaining sums you will do. Okay, there are 8 questions, I think. If you are done with the 5, only 3 questions you need to do at a homework. If you are done with the 4, then only 4 remaining. So no need to repeat the work again. Just the pending work you will complete and then send it to me in the folder. Clear, everyone? Show me yes, tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm showing you here the answer key also. Please check your answers. Please check your answers. And please be prepared. I will ask few questions tomorrow also in the class. You have class tomorrow? Yes. OB is having a class tomorrow. So I will ask the concept which we have already done. Please come prepared. As you all know, you are being graded on the basis of the concept which we are doing day to day, asking the questions from you all. when you are giving the answers, when you are confident, all the bases are to be counted. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How much you are attentive in the class, how much you are giving the answers in the class, you are punctual in the class or not, you are leaving the class before a time or on time, everything will be counted. Please do, my dear students. Are you all clear with the concept of subtraction?
Yes, ma'am.
In the fifth one, when you see 12 meter 36 centimeter is given, from 48 meter 57 centimeter. So after from, this number will come, group will come first, because from 12 meter it is not possible to subtract the 48. So 48 meter 57 centimeter group will come first, and then 12 meter 36 centimeter group will come next.
Ma'am, if I will not write that the subtract 12
No, it
meter.
is compulsory to write.
Okay.
Whatever is there in the worksheet, please need to write. Okay, so thank you children for today's class. I will send this in the classroom, right? You will complete it. If you have done 3-4 sums here in the class, no need to do it again. Do the remaining sums. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good
Have
day.
a nice day.